Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, Creative Works by Mimi. Today I want to share with you a wreath that has been going around the internet quite a bit, but this is my take on it and how I would like to have it on my door or in my kitchen. And it is the egg crate or egg cage wreath. I'm going to tell you what materials you need and then we'll get into the project. So first of all, you're going to need 2 of these wire frames. I got mine from Dollar Tree, which is where I've gotten quite a bit of my materials. You're going to need a bag of Spanish moss. I don't have the bag because I have the moss on my second wreath here. I got some wire ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It's $4.99 a roll, but right now it is 50% off, so I paid $2.50 for it. Not too bad. Assorted ribbons, eggs in colors of your choosing. I decided that I wanted something for more of an everyday wreath rather than just for Easter, so I went with some basic just brown and an off-white egg there. You need some jute twine, your hot glue gun, and I have a little extra thing that I made, and that is a little wooden sign that I created by Mod Podging, something that I printed off the computer onto the wood plank, and I will do a tutorial on that another time. So let's get into making this wreath. Using a little hot glue, I added Spanish moss to the first wire frame. I put hot glue on each egg as I place them onto the wreath, making sure to alternate the colors. I placed the second frame on top, lining up the crossbars. I cut 6 even pieces of twine. I tied 1 piece of twine at each crossbar to hold the frames together. I wrap the wire ribbon around the wreath, making sure to slightly overlap it. While I love the way the ribbon looks, it also serves the purpose of keeping everything contained inside the cage. Now I'm making a messy bow. First, I made 2 piles of ribbon using 4 variations. I crisscrossed the 2 stacks and secured them with a piece of wire. Then I separated each piece to form the bow. Next, I dovetailed the ends ensuring they were even, and had to fluff out the bow once again. To add to the design, I placed 4 pieces of twine to each cross section, wrapping them around and tying them in the back, making sure they laid nice and flat. Finally, I glued the bow to the wreath and attached the wooden sign onto the bow. I hope you all enjoyed my variation of the egg cage wreath. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Have an idea of what you'd like to see me make next? Then leave a comment below. Thanks for watching!